There's a currency being accumulated in your living room right now. It's not showing up in your bank account yet, but it's compounding every single day. It's the trust you build when you show up consistently for your kids. The reciprocity you create when you help another mother without keeping score. The network effect that happens when you're known as the person who solves problems quietly and effectively. Economists call this relational capital. Mothers have been building it for generations. But only recently has it become convertible into actual financial stability. Here's what changed. The economy used to reward transactional relationships. You showed up, you clocked in, you got paid. The relationship ended when the paycheck cleared, but the internet economy rewards something different. It rewards trust at scale. It rewards people who can mobilize communities. It rewards individuals who have demonstrated care, consistency, and competence over time. And guess who's been training in exactly those skills for years? You have. Every playdate you organized taught you network coordination. Every school volunteer shift taught you project management under resource constraints. Every time you mediated a sibling conflict, you practiced negotiation and emotional intelligence. These aren't soft skills. They're the exact capabilities that convert into economic leverage when you know how to deploy them. Let me show you how this works in practice. A mother spends 3 years deeply embedded in her local homeschool community. She answers questions in Facebook groups. She shares curriculum resources. She hosts co-op days at her house. She's not monetizing. She's not building a business. She's just being helpful. She's accumulating relational capital without even naming it. Then one day she creates a simple digital product. A curriculum planning template. A resource list. A guide to organizing co-op rotations. She mentions it once in the group. It sells. Not because her product is revolutionary, but because she's already established trust. She's already proven her competence. She's already demonstrated that she solves real problems for real people. That's relational capital converting into financial stability. And it happens faster than most people expect because the trust was already there. Here's the part most mothers miss. You think you need to build an audience first. You think you need 10,000 followers before you can monetize. You think you need to become an influencer. You don't. You need depth, not breadth. You need trust, not visibility. You need people who know you actually deliver, not people who passively scroll past your content. 50 mothers who trust you completely are worth more than 5,000 who barely know your name. Because when you create something valuable, those 50 will buy it. They'll recommend it. They'll become your distribution network without you asking. That's how relational capital compounds. It doesn't scale linearly. It scales exponentially once you cross a trust threshold.